So we're down here in Clapham in southwest London. This is another project we're starting this morning. So what we're going to be doing on this project is going to be brick cleaning all of the brickwork back to its natural colour, cutting out and replacing all of the damaged bricks. I'm going to give you a close-up of everything here. So the house has all been repointed in sand and cement in a weather-struck style. As you can see, all of the water's trying to escape through the solid wall. It's been trapped by the cement pointing. See it all in areas here where it's all leaching through. So cut all of this out, cut out all of the bad bricks. I'm going to be doing a new bay roof here for the customer as well. I'm going to be stripping all of that, putting a nice new maybe internal slate with a step flashing over the top of that. Got some designs to show the customer, so see what design I'd like to go for on now. I'm going to be tuck pointing all of the front of the building here. So it was originally tuck pointed when it was first built, so there's a few areas that have still got a bit of tuck pointing still. So as you can see though, quality of the repointing that's been done in the past. All of the moisture trying to escape out of the solid wall is really bad in areas. I'll show you upstairs. We're also doing the back of the house here as well, so full restoration to the back, painting all of the stonework on the front of the building as well. So all of the stonework be rubbed down and repainted. We're doing the railings as well. Upstairs, same sort of thing. We'll be stripping the paint off the inside of the reveals. You can see the original tuck on the arches there. So still got the original tuck pointing on the arches. So as you can see how wide the original, well not the original, how wide the joints have been made in this really unattractive weather struck pointing. So we'll minimise all of these joints with a tuck pointing. Yeah, but so far just prepping up this morning, get everything sheeted up ready for works this morning. As you can go, still see a bit of the original tuck in areas there. There you go, was a black ribbon. We've done a lot of houses in this area, so we're doing a like for like for all the tuck pointing jobs we've done locally to this property here. So maybe look at a bit of lead work going up the main roof there as well. So overall just a complete facelift as normal. So this morning we'll start cutting out this old cement pointing, get all that cut out, then we'll clean the brickwork, get the roof done on the bay, and then the tuck pointers will come in and start the tuck pointing, and then the decorators will follow and decorate all of the stonework and the railings and finish everything off here for the customer. So if you've got any questions or you'd like a free quotation for any of our services that we offer, please give us a call, get in contact, and we'd be more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries that you do have. Thank you very much. So this is day 2 of our Clapham project. We started yesterday. So last couple of days we've cut out all of the old mortar, all of the really bad, horrible sand and cement, weather struck pointing. It's all been taken out. We've cleaned all the brickwork now, started cutting out all of the bad, cracked and damaged bricks. There's a real hard cut out this one, real hard areas of sand and cement, mortar, and pretty much every single joint. So the whole house has obviously been repointed in the past in sand and cement. So got all of that out, all the collar joints, all of the around the windows have all been taken out. So we're having a good clean up now today, wash everything down. Next phase will be the roofers to coming in and doing a new bay roof. So what else we discovered today as well while we were on site is obviously this roof has been leaking over time, and we got the old original steel underneath the bay. If you can see there, it's all completely rusted and blown, all of the render all around the base. We've had to strip all of the paint off of this all the way around. It's completely blown. We're going to have to treat this, rub it all down, and then obviously re-render all of the bay before we can do any decoration. Some moulded work to do. I think there was some bits stuck on in areas. To restore all of this, stripped all of that paint off. Get this roof done, new LED flashing going on, and then we can start the repointing. All of the bricks are out now, ready to go. Downstairs to be the same sort of thing again on the window sills. A lot of cracks to fill. But yeah, so it's quite bad this bay, unfortunately. Customer did have the new windows put in, and unfortunately they never told the customer how blown all of the undersides of the bay was, just fit the windows and just left it. So it wasn't until we started scraping down now that we realised how everything was badly blown. So obviously more work to do here now, but a good couple of days work so far. All the brickwork's come up really well. Just giving everything a wash down now, and show you some more progress in the next week or so once this roof's been changed and we get back on site to start the I think we're going to have to start the bay first, so we'll have to get all this restored first before we can do any pointing, rub it all down, get it all filled, make everything watertight, and then we'll start looking at the pointing after that. So we'll show you some more progress in the next week or so when we're back on site. Off to another job now tomorrow, start another one, and yeah, like I say, show you some more bits and pieces when we're back on site. So so far, good couple of days work here, and keep you updated next week. So if you've got any questions, or would like a free quotation for any of our services out there, give us a call, get in contact, and we're more than happy to assist you with any further inquiries you do have. Thank you very much.